Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to be reviewing these lights. I'll leave the name in the description down below, the information, in case you want to get some of these lights for yourself. So I'll leave the information down below in case you guys want to get some of these fog lights for yourselves. So these are, let's take off this plastic here. And let's show you what's in question here. These are some LED fog lights, or just like extra lights for your vehicle, off-road vehicle, or they can practically be used on anything, ATV, cars. And so these are pretty simple right here. This is a simple, great design. Has some air ventilation here as well, I think, and actually this one, yeah. So kind of like a, I guess, heat dissipation design down back here, somewhat like that. So it is an LED, and it does have your wire here, so you can, your negative and your positive, and these are pretty cool. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you. These come with a little kit where it has some bolts, so you could add them on here. Okay, and this is the other bracket that comes with it. These are some of the screws. There's a long screw, but I'm going to show you what I did with my set of fog lights and how I adapted them and to which vehicle. Alright guys, so basically what I did, as you can see there, I installed this fog light on the BMW, and now I'm going to show you guys kind of like, it's just kind of rigged up. It's nothing official, because I was just kind of trying it out, but I'm gonna need something that extends this down there. You see that bracket a little higher, and then it kind of just tap down here. Either way, anyways, this bumper is really messed up, and so I don't have a actual pigtail. We just kind of put them on there and use some regular technique to install and get power out of it. But basically we have some pigtails on the way, and we should be able to get this to actually stay, and you know, then it'll actually be working. But the light works perfectly fine. There is no splitting involved if you have the right products. You don't need to be splitting or anything like that. But yeah, anyways, it's set up, works perfectly fine. These lights are awesome. They light up really good, and so we'll get like a night shot so that you guys can see how far it lights up and all that good stuff. Hi guys, so there's the light. Lights are pretty good. Just looks a lot more you know, newer. It does look better. Like, check it out. How about that? Looks a lot nicer than that one. So we're gonna end up finishing. I'm just waiting for the pigtail on the for the connector for this side, so it could be plug and play, and then I can show you guys in another video how I did it exactly. But I didn't have to splice anything on the car's end, only when it came to putting the pigtail together, and everything's good. Nothing has you know, nothing bad has happened, nothing shorted, no error messages or nothing like that. So that's pretty cool. I like how it looks. That's pretty much it. These headlights already came with it, with this car, this particular car. Not a huge fan of them, but they're already installed, so I don't have to waste money on that, and they look okay. You know, they are DRLs. During the day, I think only those top ones, the little strip stays on, or during the night, whatever. And